Think about the world in a few years. Think of a time where robots become countless and diverse, and it has become the standard for labor and efficiency. Now think how you could contribute to this future. Consider it one of the deep realizations that can change an entire community, or, moreover, the world. As like every machine, they are by definition made artificially, and no matter how advanced robots become, they'll always be thought of as mankind's creation, right?
I am your father. You are my creation.
My father tried to teach me human emotions.
Robots don't feel fear. They don't feel anything.
One of the best paths in pursuing how to learn the creation of such robots is being an engineer. At its most basic, engineers are specialists in creation, and they take in many branches, one of which is a Mechatronics engineer. They take numerous ranges of other education courses such as computer, mechanical, and electronics engineering. As these Mechatronics engineers learn, it gives them advantageous odds in the development of the world's current technology, with semiconductors rising to a boil in the importance for the creation of smart devices. Mechatronics engineers value and learn the importance of numerous electronic components. These components can vary from sensors to actuators to controllers, all of which are the building blocks for a robot's movement and thought process. However, condensing these components isn't enough. Mechatronics should also consider its interior design. Think of building a PC, a procedure which people consider as a fun activity. While installing all the RAM, GPU, CPU, and fans into the motherboard, the person has to install one final important component, the operating system. This applies to robots as well. As Mechatronics engineers, programs such as AutoCAD and Tinkercad are widely used, but some can be considered for the finalization of their mechanical and electronic designs. In this next part, here comes the somewhat alter ego for Mechatronics, programming. So why is programming a huge part of Mechatronics? Unlike courses such as IT and computer science, Mechatronics teaches mostly the basics in coding. However, it's still an important piece because programming provides the brains to the operation. No matter the outcome, there is still the need for a code of instructions to follow, and programming does just that. So, setting aside the technical perspective of Mechatronics, let us turn to the question, what should robots look like? Is there any difference to other machines? As a matter of fact, there is. There are robots and there are Mechatronic devices. Of these, not all devices made by Mechatronics engineers can be called as robots, as there is a significant difference between the two concepts. To show an example, devices such as hard drives and printers are Mechatronic devices, but aren't considered robots. As for those considered, these are the Dobot, robotic arm, and Sumobot, which have intelligence, initiative, or decision-making. With these in mind, it's better to experience it yourself and know more about their differences. As someone living in this era of ever-advancing technology, do you choose to be one to make a difference and add a creation of your own? Or do you stand to be one who would abide by these changes? You decide. Provided by this information at hand, is it worth enrolling in an innovative opportunity? Most possibly, yes. Here in St. Louis University, it can be provided to you with tools at your disposal. The challenge is up for grabs. Enroll now and be a Mechatronics student for a vision of innovation.